Today we will show you how to do an update in version 3. First requirement is to have all users out of Wingap. The county has told me they are all out. Next step is I've got to have FoxPro, which I do. It's on the desktop, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to confirm that I'm in the correct folder. I type CD command. I'm in the data folder, so I'm going to move into the current year folder. I can use CD 2015 and press enter. Type CD again and display the directory that I'm in. I can also do a CD get directory, which is a function. Add the open close parentheses at the end and I get a pick list. And then I can click around and select the folder that I want. I want the current year, 2015. So I'm going to select that. Minimize Fox. Now I need to go download the update files from the Wingap website. Go to wingap.com. Updates. Version 4 is at the top, version 3 is at the bottom. So I go down to the bottom of the page and I download files. Save target as. I'm going to navigate to the network folder. This county, it is the W drive. I'm going to open up W. Open up the Wingap folder. There's usually, or should be, a Wingap updates folder. I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to create a new folder to hold this version. The version number that you can see from the website is 315.0.21. So I'm going to create a new folder named Let's Go Computer. It's not letting me create a new folder, so let's try it this way. No. I must have some rights issues, so I'm going to manually create the folder. Or try to. W drive, Wingap, Wingap updates, new folder. Still not letting me. Let me try to run my program as a service on this machine, which gives me enhanced rights. You shouldn't have any trouble creating the folder on your machine. Okay, my software has reloaded, so let's give this another shot. New folder. New folder. Still not letting me create a new folder. Let's try this route. And I still can't create a new folder. Apparently, the IT staff has got me locked down where I cannot create new files. So, that is a problem. Let's see if I can copy an existing folder. And I can. See if I can rename this one version 3.15.0.21. And I can. So I'm going to open that up, delete those old files because that was the copy that I just created. Right, now I can go back to the Internet Explorer, save this rascal in my new folder that I just created. W, Wingap, updates, 315.21, save it. Downloads completed. I'm going to open the folder and so I'll have it available later. Folder's open. I'll minimize it for now and download the app year information. Save it to the same folder. 315.0.21. Okay, I'm through downloading. Close all tabs, minimize the chat, open up the window where I just saved the update. I'm going to first start with the app year folder or app year zip file rather, I need to unzip it into the Wingap app year folder. So if I change to Wingap, I see there's an app year folder here. I'm going to go clear that out to make sure my last update is completely removed, and I can just insert this update. So all those rascals are gone. So now I'm going to go back to my updates folder, 3:15:21, open up app year. Here's WinZip. I'm going to extract that to the app year folder that I just emptied. So I'm in WWingap app year, open him up and extract. After the app year file is extracted, I still need to get the structfix PRG out of this app year zip file and put it into my current year folder, which in this county is 2015. So let's go back to WinZip. I'm going to hit the letter S to go down to the structfix or the S files and find structfix.prg. I want to extract him, not into app year, but into the Wingap folder, data folder, 2015 folder, because that is my current year, and extract. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, so that extract is done. I'm done with app year. Now I need to open up the Wingap zip. I want to extract it into the Wingap folder. And if everyone is out, this will unzip. Fine. If anybody is still in, it's going to warn me that it can't update the files. So I'm going to say yes to all. And everyone is out. As you can see, the files are extracting. I'm done with that guy. Now I'm ready to run structfix. So I go to FoxPro. I've already confirmed that I'm in the 2015 folder. I did that before I even started the download, so now I can do structfix. All users have to be out. They already are, so I can press any key. Updating Wingap application to version 3.15.0.21. Do I want to continue? I surely do. So I answer yes. The new application files are already in place. I just unzipped them, so we're ready to press any key to continue. And structfix is going to run in 2015. When it's finished in 2015, it'll prompt the user with a list of folders. I can then change into the next digest year to structfix. I have to structfix all of them. So I'll jump back and I'll structfix 2014. .2015 is complete. There's my list of folders to select from. I now need to structfix all the way back. So I'll start with 2014 and incrementally I will work all the way back to my oldest folder. So I select the next folder, which in this case 2014, click select, and it automatically starts the structfix process. For purposes of this video, I'm not going to record structfixing all the back years. I will jump ahead and move to opening Wingap after structfix has been run. So I'm going to minimize FoxPro at this stage and go back to the desktop. After you've run structfix and you run Wingap for the first time, we're going to open it up. If you have a security warning, you're just going to answer run. There are ways to suppress that security warning if your system is set up correctly. I'm not going to get into that for this video. You see the splash screen appear. We can confirm from the splash screen, if we watch closely, it was version 3.15.0. If we did not see it, we can look in the title bar. We see 3.15.0, so we know we have successfully updated. The first login after running structfix has to be reindex to create the index file. So I'm going to log in using the name of reindex. There is no password, so I click OK. It automatically goes to the index process, and we click begin. After this indexes, we can then, the login screen will be presented back to us again. We'll log in with our normal Wingap user ID, and then you have to go reindex all the back years that you also struct fixed. But that completes a version 3 update.